think that's enough now in here. Around the house. Guest list only, guys. Now, guest list. Guest list only. Lockout time. The club's full. Tonight's Black Angus night. Apachale. Plenty of grass here. Huh? Plenty of grass in here. Hey, this is Farmer Frank from Farm Life. This is a good video to show how to put about 80 Angus cows, 80, because there's probably another 40, 50 more outside, 80 in your front yard. Putting 80 Angus cows in your front yard. There's a bit of activity going. No, they got the spring onions down here. No. Look. No spring onions. Oh, you're kidding. They're going for the spring onions. No. No. Yeah. We've got these spring onions here. We don't want them to eat the spring onions. But look, have a look at them all. There's heaps. Raw, unedited video for Farm Life. Why buy a lawnmower when you can buy a cow? Farm Life. Farmer Frank. Farm Life. How to put 80 Angus cows in your front yard. And there's probably another 40, 50 on the other side. If you don't believe me, let's go for a walk. I'll show you how many are down here. Come on, come on. I'll disturb the peace if I go down there. Yeah, no, let them eat. Oh, look. Actually, I gotta prove it. I gotta show it. Don't take my word. Here. There'll be heaps down here. Look. Yeah, there's heaps. Yeah, so now I've spooked them. They're eating nice. I did it for the viewers. Anyway, there's heaps down here. Look. There's an orange. Huh? It's an orange. He's loving these oranges. What do you reckon the next video we'll let him inside the house? If I get 1,000 likes, 1,000 subscribers in the next 7 days, I'll let all my cows in the house. I'll let them inside the house. So don't forget to like, subscribe, Farm Life, Farmer Frank on YouTube. The best farm life, farming videos on the internet. Cheers, guys.